Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm super excited to show you how to transplant oregano seedlings into these amazing grow bags. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to get notified every time I post a new video. Here are our beautiful oregano seedlings. They're ready for a new home, and today we're going to give them just that. These grow bags are from Garden, available on Amazon. They are breathable, durable, and perfect for promoting healthy root growth. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can check them out. We'll also be using this high-quality potting mix, also from Amazon. It's specially formulated for herbs and vegetables, ensuring our oregano gets the nutrients it needs to thrive. After filling the grow bag with soil, water the soil thoroughly. Gently squeeze the size of the container to loosen the root system. Now, I'll carefully take one of our seedlings and gently loosen the soil around its roots. Here I bunched all my oregano together to ensure a hardy root system. Place the seedling in the center of the grow bag and fill in around it with more potting mix. This helps the plant settle into its new home more comfortably. And there you have it. Our oregano seedling is now happily transplanted into its new grow bag. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for these grow bags. Your herbs will thank you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. Thank you.